Silent. Page number Z13 Phagto. Chapter number 2. Drainage. Yareko. Look at the physical map of any country in the atlas. The area which is drained by the river and its tribute is called drainage basins. Such an elevated region is called a water divided. Yareko.
My mula is his atopsy after Lolo.
Kariba.
Cha Lolo Sohaiba.
Karino Haribo. My exing nam Tahiro Oba.
Oh, I shall look at Nang Lao Haiba.
Ye.
Ako gimisto. Ingon I love you hakwan. Ay ikaegang. Ay hayang class 10 pass taw lorga. Reply piraki di hay game ni.
Ngang ni.
Mo sơ jiga pina mai ho ja jidi